Hello and welcome to Digital Science Saturday, Bats, Spiders, Snakes, Oh My. My name is Jacqueline and I'm the Community Science Outreach Coordinator for the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. Thank you for joining us for this very special Digital Science Saturday, and I want to wish you a very happy Halloween. Today at 10 a.m., like normal, we're going to be launching all of our educational and fun videos and activities. We will be meeting Corky Quirk from NorCal Bat Rescue, who will be giving us an up-close look at some local California bat species and teaching us about why they're so important for our ecosystems. We'll even get a chance to see them eat one of their favorite snacks. I'll give you a hint, it's not humans. We're also going to be seeing some of Bug Out with Bree. Bree has been working on a Harvest Man and a Black Widow spider videos. Oh my. We'll even meet a local Carmel teacher who's going to give us a tour of his classroom spiders. Wow. And we're going to be getting a little bit messy with a pumpkin carving. So make sure that you have your pumpkins nearby for this fun and interesting craft. And don't forget, at 3 p.m., we're going to be having a live Zoom presentation by Slithering Science. Erin is going to give us an in-depth and up-close look at some of her live snakes and other reptiles. So you want to make sure that you tune in at 3 p.m. today. If you have any questions or concerns about any of today's activities, feel free to email me at Schneider, SCHNEIDER, at pgmuseum.org. And you can check out all of our other online content at our Museum to You page. Also, be sure to tag us in your social media. The museum staff look forward to seeing all of your crafts and activities that you learned today. Thank you and happy Halloween!